Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable the group policy editor in Windows 10 or Windows 11 home editions. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it and check my video description for this site link. Just copy this code guys, just copy the code like this, right click and copy it and then paste the codes in this notepad and select file and select save and save in desktop and name it as fix.bat and select save option. Now just to close it up here and now the bat file has been created. Just right click and select run as administrator and select yes, and you just need to wait for this to done guys. Press any key to continue, press enter, and now just to go ahead and restart the PC. After restarting you can able to open the group policy editor guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.